Hey Virgos, this is your weekend check-in. The first card we got was the World card. So there's a feeling like you're starting a brand new cycle here. I don't know what you've been through or what you came out of. Some of you are just, you're starting something brand new, okay? And if you're married, let me just say, if you're married already, it's like you and your spouse are almost like falling in love again. Okay? So that's the energy that I'm feeling with the World card. Then with the Four of Wands, it's like someone really sees stability here. Okay? Someone really wants this with you. You really want this with this person as well. It's mutual. There is stability here. Someone wants to work on this relationship. And for some of you who are single, you're going to move into a relationship very quickly. Some of you will move into someone's home very quickly as well. Like the two of you may exchange keys very soon. Okay? I feel that energy very strongly. You may be talking about that with each other this weekend. And then with the King of Pentacles, there you are. That's Virgo energy. You're sitting as the King of Pentacles, and I feel like you're like redeeming yourself. If you've been messing up lately in the relationship, or your spouse or someone has been messing up, I feel like someone is redeeming themselves. And you're starting to see them as a king instead of like a little kid, or someone is maturing. That's what I want to say. This relationship is taking a turn for the better. And I feel like things are growing between the two of you. If this is a newer connection, I feel like the two of you are starting something off very quickly, and it's going to turn very serious quickly as well. I think more than you expected. That's what I want to say. I feel like you're going to have clarity that this person is the one more quickly than you ever have with anyone else. Something is solid with this foundation here. This is a solid foundation, and I feel it very strongly. So whoever you're talking to right now, don't be discouraged if if it's starting off, maybe just a little texting, and maybe you've gone out on one or two dates. Don't worry about it, because out of nowhere, this is going to pick up really fast, okay? Alrighty, you guys, so that's your energy for this weekend. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel, Sophiamonay Tarot. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.